If you want to link more Contain-X cabins together, or if you want to create your own design by fitting partition walls, we would be pleased to provide you with further information. Contain-X cabins can be combined any way you like. Your cabins will be delivered in the right panel order according to your building layout, as shown in this example. The transport protection is removed, or if existing cabins need to be linked together, the unnecessary panels have to be taken out. The cabins can now be placed together. The gap for a perfect link is 2 centimeters and has to be adjusted accordingly. Take the necessary linking kit out of the marked carton. The special rubber seal is placed between the cabin frames and is knocked in carefully. The final setting of the gap to 1.5 centimeters is achieved by the use of the provided tension bolts. Inside the cabin, the hollow spaces in the frame are filled with insulation material. The floor frame is insulated with a separate sealing cord. The floor covering plate is made of stainless steel and is fitted out with insulation material. The cabin frames are covered with side and ceiling cover trims with integrated insulation. The side cover trims consist of 2 overlapping parts to allow for varying internal heights. For a better seal and multiple use, lip seals are mounted to the edges of the cover trims. The internal tightening clamps are fitted to the roof frame and the ceiling cover trim is put on subsequently. Any possible gaps are filled with the provided silicone. In order to achieve quick assembly, rubber screws can be used. Before that, the internal tightening clamps are fitted to the roof and side frames. The holes for these screws are drilled in the middle of the cover trim by using the provided stencil. The prepared screws are being fitted. The side cover trims are positioned by starting with the bottom part. By doing this, make sure that the rubber screws are positioned between the corner posts. The cover trims are secured with a cordless screwdriver. The ceiling cover trims are prepared and fitted in the same way. For additional safety, the provided chains are fixed to the roof frame first. In order to create larger room sizes, 4 cabins are linked together on the short and long sides, as shown in this example. In doing so, attention has to be paid to the correct order of assembly. Cabin 1 and 2 are sealed on the long side, as shown previously. After that, cabin 3 is positioned on the short side and sealed in the same way. Now, cabin 4 is being put into place. The remaining long and short sides are covered with the special rubber seal, placing it from the center to the outside. The remaining part of the rubber seal is used to cover the internal gaps of cabin 4. These parts of the corner posts are additionally linked with internal tightening clamps. After that, the cabin combination is bolted together by using external tension bolts. When setting up a multiple-story building, internal tightening clamps are used in the cross-section area. The covering of the corner posts and the roof frame is done by using the provided cover trims. Your Containex modular system is now ready for use.